So when it's your turn to do your math, you are going to listen to me read the sentence, and I will read it for you 2 times, and then you will try to figure out the number sentence. Remember, you have to find out if it's a plus or a minus that you're going to use. Okay, so let's start here. Let's read the sentence. Stuart builds 5 sandcastles. Do you think that's an important number to remember? 5 sandcastles. I'm going to put a box around that. Waves knocked down 2 of them. Ooh, there's another number. Knocked down 2 of the sandcastles. How many sandcastles are left? Now it wants to know how many are left. I think that's an important word too, so I'm going to put a box. Okay, so now I'm going to read it one more time. Stuart built 5 sandcastles. So that's my first number, and I think it's very important because we started off with 5. So that is the first number I'm going to write, 5. Excuse me. Okay, so now let's make sure we remember when you do these, you can use drawings, you can use counters, you can use your fingers, or you can even use something around your house, like rocks maybe. So in this case, we have our drawings. So let's make sure we have 5 sandcastles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 5 sandcastles. Now let's keep reading to see what's next. Waves knocked down 2 of them. So if the waves were coming, and waves can usually be pretty strong, what do you think happened to the sandcastles? It pushed them away. It knocked them down. So we have to take away how many? You can see my number right here. 2 of them. So how many X's will I need? 2 X's. 1, 2. Now that number 2 is really important too. So I'm going to come down here and write my number 2 because 2 of my sandcastles disappeared with the waves. So now the next part of my word problem says, how many sandcastles are left? How many sandcastles are left? I'm going to change my color to green, and I'm going to count how many are left. 1, 2, 3. How many sandcastles are left? 3. So now I get to write my number 3. Now, I'm still missing something very important. I need to find out if it's a plus or a minus. So let's look at our picture. Did I put more sandcastles, or did I take away? I took away. So when you take away, is it a plus or a minus? It is a minus. So in my circle, I need to put a minus sign. And the most important part is also to put an equal sign. Okay, and you're all done. So for the next one, you will do it by yourselves because we've been practicing this since yesterday, and your teachers will be checking your work. You guys are doing a great job. Thank you.